Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a curious little bird named Curlew. Curlew was known far and wide for his unique cry, a sound that echoed through the hills and danced upon the waves. One day, Curlew decided to visit the sea, a place he had never been before. As he flew over the vast expanse of water, he saw the waves crashing against the shore, creating a symphony of sounds that filled the air. Suddenly, Curlew noticed a small fish being swept away by a wave. Without a second thought, he dived into the sea, braving the cold and the currents, to save the fish. But as he reached out to grab it, the fish slipped from his grasp and was carried away. Undeterred, Curlew continued to save fish after fish, each time attempting to catch them only to lose them to the relentless waves. The other birds watched in awe, wondering why Curlew would risk his life for the sake of these small creatures. One day, an old wise otter named Ollie approached Curlew. "Why do you put yourself in such danger, little Curlew?" he asked. "The waves will always win. You cannot save them all." Curlew looked at Ollie, his eyes filled with determination. "I may not be able to save them all, Ollie, but by trying, I can make a difference to those I can reach." Ollie smiled. "Wisdom, little Curlew, comes not from saving the world, but from understanding what you can and cannot control. By trying, you have shown bravery and compassion, and for that, you are a hero in my eyes." From that day forward, Curlew continued to help wherever he could, not for the sake of saving every fish, but for the joy that came from making a difference, no matter how small. And in doing so, he taught everyone the power of compassion and perseverance. In the end, Curlew's tale reminds us that we may not be able to change the world entirely, but by making a difference in the lives of others, we can create ripples of change that touch the lives of many. And in doing so, we too can become heroes.